Alright, today we're going to be installing the Kwikset 888. The first step in this is going to be putting the deadbolt in. So with the deadbolt, kind of makes sense, but you're always going to want to make sure that it says up right there on the deadbolt. Sometimes it'll be fully extended when you put it in, sometimes it'll be short. How you determine that is when you put it in, if you're almost touching the edge right there, then you know you did it correctly. So right there, I put it in short, it's pointing up. We're going to put 2 screws in. If you had a Kwikset lock before, you can actually use the same deadbolt if you want. But we're going to use these 2 pointy screws right here. We're going to install those. It's okay if you go a little tight. You want to make sure that it's nice and sturdy in there. Alright, so we got our front piece right there. The next thing that we're going to be installing is going to be what I like to call the skeleton piece. So this will be on the back, and then we'll install the front plate here. Now how it's going to look inside the lock is this piece right here is going to go in like this. It's going to go under, and it's going to rest right there, and then the metal piece is going to go right through like that. So let me show you on the lock right here, and we'll do a close-up. So this guy, he's going to slide underneath the deadbolt. This is going to go through the hole right here, right through the metal piece. We'll try to fit him in there, make sure he gets. There we go. And then he's on there nice and straight, so that's perfect. We're going to flip over to this side. We're going to grab our skeleton. We're going to slide him the wire right through here. So let's get that wire in there. You'll notice that I'm holding the other side of the plate. The reason I do that is if I let go, it might fall or drop. So we're going to put that in right there, drop him down there. And you'll see the wire has a little place to rest. And this metal piece that's coming out right here, we're going to want to make sure that it's centered. If it's too low or too high, that can affect the lock. But at this point in time, we're going to put the 2 long black screws in. So I'll put them in first, and then I'll screw them in. I'll just do a little bit right there. Do a little bit right there. Some people say to not use any power tools when doing this. It's really up to you. You can do it too tight, so you want to be careful for that. But for time reasons, I'm just going to use a screwdriver. Get them in there, right there. And if you can see that metal piece too, it's right there in the middle. So I did that perfect. We're going to straighten that out. Look how we did on the front, a little crooked. That's pretty typical of me. There we go. We're going to tighten those up, right there, right there. And yes, just to say this one more time, you're going to want to make sure that this guy's right here in the middle. If he's too high or too low, that can affect the door. So the next piece is going to be what we're going to call the body. How this is going to work is you got your plug right there. There's 2 arrows pointing at each other. Those 2 are going to connect. From there, you're going to tuck it in to the bottom. It's right there. You can see it's tucked in. And then you're going to align this so that it'll connect perfectly. So we'll get it aligned. Goes in there perfect, nice and sturdy. And then next, we're going to do the 2 fat screws. They're going to go on the bottom. Put those right there. And on this one, I haven't put the batteries in yet. Some people will put the batteries in at this point, but I'm going to wait till after I get these fat screws in. Put the screw in on that side, get a tight fit it. We'll actually wait to do that one. So after you get that screw on, the next step that you're going to do is you're going to do what we call the rehanding of the lock. How you do that, and the reason what rehanding is you have to teach these locks which direction to go. They're not smart deadbolts. Even though we call them smart locks, they're not. We've got to teach them which way to go. And so how we do that is we hold the lock button on the front, and we're going to drop the battery pack in. So we drop the battery pack in, and you'll see the lock go back and forth. What that's doing is it's teaching the deadbolt which direction to go. It might go on for 20 seconds to 30. Sometimes it might be quick like that, but now the deadbolt knows which way to go. How you can catch, or maybe let's say you forgot this, is if you hear a clicking noise with the lock, then you know that you probably forgot to rehand it. So that's a step in installing the Kwikset 888 that you're going to have to do. Now, this is the last piece that you're going to put on right here is going to be the front plate. So you'll have this line up on here. Make sure that you can move the lock, and then you're going to install these last two screws right here. There's one on the bottom as well if you want to do it, but that right there is how you install the Kwikset 888.